Hey guys, we're in Krakow now, and it's a lovely Friday morning, nice and cold, nice and brisk, and I'm going to explore the Jewish part of Krakow, which apparently is host to a few synagogues, lots of places to eat and drink. So, you know, we've sent the specialist out to check them, as Emily's doing some work back at the apartment, which by the way is stunning. I may have alluded to it being a nice penthouse in the last video before it actually been, but I can confirm now that it is absolutely banging. And yeah, we're just going to check out some of the Jewish part of Krakow. Been having a wee wander around Krakow, and I've stumbled across there's an industrial heritage route, and there's a really cool museum here that's got a lot of different exhibitions going on. You got stuff about the changing world, you got the tram and railway museum, you've got a museum dedicated to big steel statues, so there's quite a lot going on here. Definitely gonna have to check it out, I think. We got the throne from the Throne TV show. We got a R2-D2. Got C3PO. This one's cool as well. So we've got like a cool steel Chewbacca. Damn, that's cool.
Hello everyone, we're currently at the Rynek Underground in Krakow's Old Town, and I just really wanted to quickly show you how cool it is that we're underground, basically in an archaeological site, and I'm here. They've modernised it all, made it all perfectly, stunningly accessible. It looks brilliant, and it could not be easier to get around. Big thumbs up.
So I'm here outside the Auschwitz and Birkenau Museum. I have got my ticket already, and I'm about to go in and explore what used to be one of the biggest concentration and death camps of World War II. And it's been preserved as a reminder of those times, that there was so many people here needlessly killed because of who they were, because of how they lived their lives, you know, through no fault of their own, just living because one regime and one ideal decided that their life wasn't worth it. And it is, you know, it's sickening. Today's not going to be a fun day. It's not going to be a, you know, a happy day. It's a reminder. It's a solemn time to reflect on the atrocities of the world. And, you know, if anyone can come away from today realising, you know, that the world just needs to love each other a little more, and people just need to be a bit more tolerant and accepting everyone else in the world, that we can all live in peace, then, you know, that's why this place is preserved, and that's why it still stands, because it is a reminder of how things can go horribly wrong and how things can be done to other human beings. It's really, you know, sometimes it's hard to think about. You think about all those things that they've done to, you know, other people, other human beings, just because they deemed them inferior and, you know, not the right type. So I'm going to go in now for this tour, and we'll see how it goes.